How to use WeChat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use WeChat. Now this video is for beginners, so if you're a beginner, you are at the right place. So the first step is of course downloading WeChat. So for that, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for WeChat. After you search for WeChat, this should open up. Now install this app. After you do that, tap on open. And this is what it should look like. Now if you already have an account, tap on login to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, head over to sign up option and you'll get three options to create an account. One is to sign up with mobile and the other is to sign up with Apple or your Facebook. So for this video, I'll just sign up with my Facebook. Tap on continue and it should redirect you to another page. Tap on continue and yeah, you should just get logged in into your WeChat account now. As you can see, tap on login now. Since my Facebook was already linked to my WeChat, so there we are. Now after you're here, what you can do is you can simply invite your friends to register as well. You'll see all of your contacts here and you should find your own profile right here. And that is how you can create a WeChat account. Now to invite friends, tap on invite friends. Now you can invite your friends from messages or from WhatsApp or places like that. So you can even email to them. And after you do that, you can do basic messaging app stuff such as video call. You can do audio call. You can text with people. And yeah, you can again tap on new chat here. You can add contact. You can scan. You can even send and receive money here. And yeah, that is basically how you use WeChat. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.